How to change Foodpanda Gcash number. The first things first is access your Foodpanda application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now once you're here, all I have to do is go to account and then under view profile or orders, favorites, addresses, choose on Panda Pay below those three options. Just tap on that. Now this is where all your saved payment methods is going to show. Now for you to change your Gcash number, just tap on change. It is located right side of saved payment method. So tap on that. Now for you to change it, just tap on primary. And what you need to do is you'll have to remove this payment method first. Now, after removing this payment method, then you'll have to add another payment method, but in a different Gcash number. So that's the only way that we can change our phone number, our Gcash phone number rather, with Foodpanda. First thing is to remove it. Second thing to do is to add it again, but on a different number. So that's it. That's how we can change our Gcash number in Foodpanda.